Another week of football, another week of confusion as to where the Premiership is going. We're talking about the Betway Premiership. This is Junior Kanye TV, and this episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. Hashtag bet with the best. Hashtag WSB. Gents, how are you doing? I don't want to waste time. So let's get straight into it. The last time we were together, we were anticipating a game whereby Orlando Pirates was in action with Stellenbosch, and you said it might be a draw. You also said it could be a draw. However, Pirates did the unthinkable. They won 2-0 in Cape Town.
Michael Luthe win.
Michael Luthe win. So Michael, iwinile. And what did you make of that game?
Mina Ndlandla ayikho into entshe engizoyisho ngePirates Ndlandla kule season. Into engizoyisho ngabo Ndlandla they've been the best team so far. That's why ngihlala ngishilo even nalast ukuthi umuze mnyama uzoyiwina ileague. Yeah, it's up to them manje sezandleni zabo ukuthi bayithathe or abayithathe.
All right, Thabo, the 2-0 against Stellenbosch. It didn't look like it was going to be a game where Pirates was going to win it. It was a sold-out affair, and Orlando Pirates became winners.
Yeah, mina sangibulisa. Watching Orlando Pirates is like watching a beautiful lady. Watching a beautiful sister, mama.
Yeah.
Mama, married, committed to his man. Akanasikhathi samanye amawuthi. And nimfuna nonke. And yonke into attractive about him, the way about her, the way akhuluma ngakhona, skin, and the way amenga khona, and nobuntu bakhe, and nokuba committed endodeni yakhe ningamthuli. This year I have to admit one of the best things one of the best young squad, and yes, couple of experience, and ngicela futhi ngizosho ngishilo na ku Diski TV ngifuna ukumcompliment wathi uthatha isikhathi kimi Nhlanhla mina kunzima, it takes a lot to please me, and nami opinion yami ngiya respect opinion yomunye umuntu wadi ibhola lazi yabo yalazi ibhola into bengekho sho ngayo ukuthi consistency and experience mabamtesta, because kunabantu aba talented, they don't have a strong character.
Sure.
They end up panicking. Pirates is a big team. Bengekho sure khumbula uwadu thatha icathulo nes like Michael Wash wathi lo muntu lo uwadu singakhuluma konke upick up icathulo nezinkulu. So this year into enzile koLorlando Pirates, honestly speaking, Nhlanhla, it's been consistent. Yes, unamablanda wenzile. I will say khona amablanda, but amagame amaningi wawine from the bench, and he took out the best out of couple of players. Yes, uJose Rivero, Abu Rile, Abu Ban, yes, talent but as well. Ubanigile abongota, ubanigile chance, and young squad. Abombogazi, obvious uwadu. So this guy coach, honestly speaking, anything imbone ngayo i-team yakhe bekwazi ukuthi iphinde manage ne-game, they score goals benangenankinga. Yes, i-team kaJose beyikora, but not like Wadu's team. Team kaWadu, they score playing entertaining football. Pirates last season bedlala nge-speed one way. One way speed is good, predictable, talented but predictable team. But this year honestly speaking, friend Orlando Pirates mfethu, and energy level they defend very well. Mina ngikhulume i-team kaJose Rivero phinde beyimshaya ne-defense somehow, but that defender very well. I mean goalkeeper China as well. I don't know wenzeni Wadu China, and angazi namtshele yona amenza ukuthi believe, because i-coach nayo njengoba basho ma win changing room ubabi bantwaneni, they will keep back. Bazobuya kuwena bakunike lento oyifunayo. Ngeke nibe perfect. I mean, those are humans phila emhlabeni, but humans. So well done to Wadu. Mina ngijoba ngishilo where the Pirates win, where the Sundowns win the league, or whatever, Pirates win the coach of the season should be Wadu. Ngoba as manager Ivar, Sundowns they spend a lot, but spend a lot. Standard. Yes, Pirates spending but not like Sundowns. So who compete? And his players will respond very well. So he came Leo Kulmanga Stellenbosch. I mean, Kevin and approach game the way approach game ngakona against Sundowns.
Yes.
I wanna mean about Kevin Shingnecha man with such coaches, and njoba ngisho I know he's achieved. Make no mistake, Kevin Hunt has achieved. He's won a couple of leagues with certain teams, Supersport, Wits University. But the type of football edlalayo mina iphinde ngimazi man. I mean kunabo Phili lapha. Ku Stellenbosch, unabo Japa, unabo Junino. Meaning disappointed mfethu, like you want everybody to come and defend on a striker usibeke benchini and then ucala nge-defensive midfield as a striker yabo false nine disappoint. I mean laphayana njengoba ngisho overload midfield ucolela ungadlali nge-striker unekeep it on the bench angunderstandanga ukuthi ucoach wenzani and akadlalisa team yakhe according to his strength vele bo expect ukuthi ini uvika one way. So ufuna ukureact towards Pirates leader angeke uzibuye Pirates come ezimvula angeke bastop phela and I remember they chasing a league kunama game engekasele. So now compliment Orlando Pirates going to Cape Town kune weather challenge izokuchallenge weather izokuchallenge weather imvula inokuna iweather imoya nje uyele uphinde ushintshele ukudlala psychologically team Orlando Pirates went there for 2 goals Atlanta especially nezandla mfethu and bengayibhekanga ukuthi iPirates will win. Mina bengibheka i-draw yabo. Okay, win now Kevin Hunt bengazi noma ngabe bekakora bezokora lo Pirates because they are better than them. Mara banama player banabondala abantu Muleisane which is ngathi ulimele and they've got amabaso is beyangadlali Kipidu Titus lo mfana lo one of the best talent mina engisashona namhlanje uPhili Japa unama player honestly, but now akadlalisanga according to his strengths. Orlando Pirates deserve winner their game in all department. I mean they dominated that game in all department.
All right. And then the most anticipated game that many said could have been the decider, whether Sundowns was going to take the league or not, Michael, that was a game against Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. You said ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingaywina, and then there could have been like a draw as well, but it was a draw and it kind of set back Mamelodi Sundowns in terms of taking the league. What do you make of that game?
Mina Nhlanhla into engayisho ngale game first and when la ngibukela khona ibhola Nhlanhla ngibukela nama fans wawonke labantu, but kuya kule game Mamelodi Sundowns ne Kaizer Chiefs into engena ngayibheka. That's why ngithe Sundowns angilile
Chiefs
because it was a motivation for Kaizer Chiefs. Even the Pirates yazange lose even if noma dominated. So into engena ngayibona it was going to be the same fighting spirits because bebangafuna ukuleyo number 1 or number 2. And then another thing into engenza ukuthi le game ngizothi draw, even nama support we Chiefs bebangayifavor Chiefs
on the day.
On the day they had this thing ukuthi like we mix masala.
Mix masala. Yes, because
support Chiefs. Chiefs only support the Sundowns ngokwayo. So ikula ngibone khona ukuthi manga supportwa nama supporter wakho ngibonile ukuthi izoyenza upset ilontuza
Kaizer Chiefs. But it was a bit of a physical game, Michael. Like ama injury ayiwaphuma that day. I remember post-match analysis, and when the coach was being interviewed, he was mad. He was fuming. But how is Kaizer Chiefs being so physical? They were physical against Orlando Pirates, and they went into this game also. And then nama injury ayiwaba khona laphaya.
But Nhlanhla masingayibheka le game le Sundowns ne Chiefs, I think uReferee ngokwakube nendima enkulu ayidlalile like igame izifika la ifika khona, because if you can check first contact of the game yenza uAlende kuNdlovu. Uvuqeda ukuphasa ibhola Alendo uyafika ngetekile. The referee doesn't say anything. It was obvious ukuthi uNdlovu makabuya uzobuya njani. Njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla ukuthi iChiefs their only strategy ukuthi we don't want to lose against Pirates, we don't want to lose against Sundowns. The only way ukuthi babe physical. Check them after mabaqeda ukudlala nePirates bebanjani against iSiwelela. They were not that physical. They played against Sundowns, they were physical. They came to the game against iSkhukhune, they were not physical Nhlanhla. So njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi it was a game na bemotivateayo for this season in terms of ukuthi nabo baye ku bastempele number 3, because nabo if they basoloko ba loser, if they lost against Pirates and lose against Sundowns, they won in number 3 yabo bese ingcuphekeleni. So I think I fighting spirit ababenayo, I motivation ababenayo, even if asipromote lento ukuthi like kudlalwe ibhola lisonhlanhla, because kubhlungu kubona ama player limala ngoba igcineni mina support imndeni yawo yabo, asipromote into so, but into engibonile ngabo bazitshela ukuthi sofele groundini Nhlanhla angeke silose against Sundowns, angeke silose against Pirates.
Sibos,
Yeah, I mean, I thought the Sundowns will win the game. They is because pound to pound, Kaizer Chiefs couldn't compete with Sundowns. They'll compliment the Kaizer Chiefs for not. We are willing to Orlando Pirates and throw. And going to Sundowns and throw the game. But truly speaking, what every man of them is good at game. I'll be honest to you. I know Masede Allen is the one Aleguti Abe rough. Yabo. Accept Lady Jalo Allen. We must be honest. Yabo. But don't know if we continue. When I came on the Pirates, truly speaking, I don't mind Jaden Adams to get the red card. Mina bengibheke kule yakamduku uzophuma lapha. Ngiyoqala mina hayi le yesithule red card because ngiyangana my intentions to play the ball. Ibhola bel fair. But uNdlovu ngale nto leyo keep it with a red card. So ukuthi okay we are survive uNdlovu ngaleyo. That's why lento le it's like ikhulumisa abantu abaningi fans, lot of fans. Sihambe endleleni they talk but mina ngisomuntu omamela abantu that much. But I respect your opinion yabantu. I don't comment endleleni abantu abahlangana nami emagarageni ongikhuluma football nobahlanga no comments. That's why the reason being uzokhuluma opinion yakho uhethe omunye umuntu yabo. So le nto le cause debate it's like kwabanye abantu ngathi there's something that enzekile behind the scene. Because there was a red card leyanto kaNdlovu. I debate okay we are survivor ngaleyo. Now bamba this guy. If not mistaken ngathi bambe okay ushaye umndawo ngeelbow with the elbow. We are survivor still. I think 3 incident or 4 the guys
in one game, yeah.
Yabo and then Jaden Adams outside the box. Ngiyazi ukuthi it's an offense vele yellow card nomuthi mara mina bengibhekele uqala kaJaden. So the referee if he was fair red card bekumele iphume kuNdlovu macethe ukhupile une fracture nhlanhla as much as ngiyezwa we speak yes umuntu true njengoba ngisasho Jaden Adams bengamelanga enze red card phuma immediately Jaden Adams but also this guy naye uNdlovu a red card so ma usurvive kuleyo we understand umuntu uphumile nge-stretch same as umuntu Sundowns had to make tactical change.
Yes.
Yabo now we play now with change already.
Yeah.
uNdlovu sasele ground in coaches because Chiefs bamkeep uNdlovu which is angunderstandanga ukuthi bamkeep kanjani lapha abona lapha lo muntu une yellow card you coming a team idlala team ezakini because Kaizer Chiefs came to the game defender badlala nga 2 defensive midfielders which is Mabuye noNdlovu bebangana my intentions to play the game honestly bona bebayili draw and it's understandable you playing pound to pound you can't miss Sundowns the strategy is the Chiefs true ukuthi soba physical but above the knees above lie waist ifika lela kanti it's a red card you understand so uNdlovu survivile lapha ureview ngithi man of the match and then Jaden Adams uyaphambili up front uyadive it's understandable okay mina njengoba ngisho ukucala kaJaden bekumele aphume uyamkhipha but my anti-cause debation there we understand and the debation people bane rights you understand and I'm not talking about Pirates supporters I'm talking about Sundowns and Chiefs supporters because if we came here by equal with Sundowns ibe na 9 Chiefs ibe na 9 nhlanhla ngabe kwenza ngalini but well done to Kaizer Chiefs go to Love Stars to defend because the game truly speaking if masikhuluma nje beziza lesa Sundowns but the Kaizer Chiefs to go away have one chance and create one chance and get the goal well done to them bengekho bekayibhekile le but uRonwen Williams onze plan that taking Uronwen naye Sundowns I'm sure they will be angry ngikhuluma ngecoach going to the World Cup now even Hugo Bros I'm sure South African fans sonke technical team yabafana i-concern le Ronwen the body language
is the number one
the body language Ronwen Williams mina ngikhala nge-body language before ezinye izinto the body language is number 1 goalkeeper uyazi ukuthi akacompete I don't think uyamtrust Hugo Bros to China noma ngashaya ama-clean sheet ayi-19 I don't think they trust him the experience and stuff but it's wrong man nabona uRonwen naye mele I love Ronwen one of the best talent ebuya ku-development and the technical is good handling everything understanding he understands Timara lately mele sibe effect lonke ibhola nale mo game la le game 7-4
sizoza kuyo
sengisho nje kuya so Ronwen wenza plan ukhabi ball kick the ball Ronwen kule game Chiefs but as ngisho well done to Chiefs strategy sabo sebenzile kude ukuthi angesibancenge lucky ureferee angayikhiphi rate kuNdlovu and then naye nabo batholi lucky I mean lucky circulate around the world angeke ujuna bene lucky one way yaho so babe and well done to that ukuthi angaphumi nge red card Chiefs babe 10 laba be9 Sundowns they will come but abakwazanga ukuthola igoli so well I think le nto le yake Sundowns psychologically idlala indima enkulu now Pirates they were so motivated and yazo mayikhela shilo ukuthi kuzoba idraw bengayibheka ngalondlela.
Yeah. All right, and then the next game, which was like another game that everybody was looking forward to it, because now Tuesday, Wednesday, the league was still not decided, because I think people wanted to wrap up the league as early as last week. And then now, like, we go into the weekend, we still don't know where the league is going to go. And Mamelodi Sundowns is in action, and then they go into action, they play against Siwelele. People thought that game also was going to be a ceiling game for Mamelodi Sundowns, but it still was not, because they scored 7. There was 11 goals scored on that particular game. However, those goals scored by Mamelodi Sundowns are still not enough to wrap the league for them. Take me through that.
Ndlandla masingathi siyacheka wena Ndlandla lately check Mamelodi Sundowns okay bona badlala they are playing a good football but kuSiwelele le scored first ba leader through first half yonke and then come second half bayeza futhi bazoconsider more than 3 goals.
Yeah, I mean the score was 5-1 at the break of halftime.
5 ne?
Yeah, 5-1.
Yeah, imagine and then we are second half we are 2 goals and then we consider like 3. It shows you into kubonisayo ukuthi like iSundowns emove defensive wise manje kune problem Ndlandla. Whether siyathanda or asithanda Ndlandla because njengoba uAgasasho ubona ama player afana nabo Ronwen kule stage lesi sinje Ndlandla this is the most important akusile game yeChiefs kuphela Ndlandla ayenze lama planda lawo kunala khona iSundowns ayidropisa ama point ngalento yakhe I think kunalento ukuthi manje nguRonwen manje eMzansi ake kumuntu like club level wise Onyango akasamniki that much competition because he's got that luxury ukuthi yena uyiweapon ukuthi lo goalkeeper wazi ukucala I think na lento le iyembula lingcondo kakhulu sekakhohlwa ukuthi like i-primary job yakhe yini because i-primary job ukuthi kumele bangagori Ndlandla before wazofuna ukwenza lento ezayo i-danger akasayiboni like yonke into uyithatha light even the Barcelona abantu abeze ngetikitaka Ndlandla under Pep Guardiola when they are under pressure ugoalkeeper uzolishayela balole second ball but uthatha izinto light kakhulu for mina Ndlandla. I think nayo uba costile na iSundowns ukuze bafike kule situation abakizo and kumele be careful because manje baya ku Champions League final and then we are going to the World Cup Ndlandla mangale performance yakhe siba worried as a country.
So would you take him to the World Cup?
No, uzomthatha because of the experience yakhe but mina for mina manje kuyisikhathi ukuthi bengizonika bo China chance because like ngendlela enza ngayo manje sekayazi ukuthi noma kwenzakalani ngizoqala. Yeah, so manje sifuna ukuthi kube ne competition kumele kube healthy Ndlandla. Melazi ukuthi manje makenze 11 angabi ne show because yinto embulalayo manje kakhulu mangathi uyamcheka Ndlandla.
Yeah, but they were not playing against a weak team either, Michael. Isiwelele, we've seen how they've been performing throughout the season and we've seen how they're using our youngsters and actually picking them up and giving them that confidence. It wasn't going to be much of a walk in the park. Yes, it looked like it in the first half because the score was 5-1, but when they came back, like you're saying, they scored 3 and Mamelodi Sundowns conceded 3 and then Mamelodi Sundowns was able to score 2. They were not playing against a weak team.
Yeah, but like iqiniso kumele sisho i-experience eMamelodi Sundowns compared to yesterday njengoba usho iSiwelele has been team improvayo i-team ewinayo but mongacheka njenga last they've played with 5 DDC players but if you check i-experience eMamelodi Sundowns Ndlandla because iSiwelele if ungacheka Nondamane man I think Nondamane naye man I'm worried ngaye I think naye man akajwayeli le schedule seSundowns whereby you play each and every 3 days I think nayo but uzokhula Ndlandla I think uzokhula naye akumelanga ukuthi manje City ngokwenza ama mistake because yize ezinye izinto ezikhulisa ama player lezi you grow from this kind of things so that's why singafuna ukubona aboronweni bayenza the same similar mistakes ngale experience abanayo. We give Nondamane this room for improvement but bangayenza ama mistake. He was playing for TS Galaxy Ndlandla. He never would have any chance ukuthi adlale Champions League. Now he's going to the Champions League final. Yeah.
All right. So goalkeeper number 1 and goalkeeper number 2 were playing against each other. Ugos and Williams were in that game where 11 goals were scored. Thabo, you are not impressed with Ronwen Williams, but let's focus more on the game itself. Let's talk more about what we make of that game. Let's talk about the 11 goals that were scored, the people that actually scored. There were 2 trebles, hat-tricks in that particular game. Let's go through it.
Hlanhla, I think compliment to Siema. Anyway, so this episode yakhe next week Monday is coming to the studio.
Yeah.
Uyaza, the coach of Celtics is coming here. Compliment mina is a friend. Ibrada nyakhuluma na behind the scene yalazi ball. One of the young talented coach. Indawo ijive ukuthi let alone ezinye izinto angizazi mina sengikhuluma based on the football.
Yeah.
Yabo yalazi ball. I mean giving TTC team TTC players I5
a chance
against Kaizer Chiefs and I mean and then Ntwana days was that confident and they perform very well and good high intensity badlala nge-intensity high.
Sure.
So well done to Siema do waqale ngoJeza which is bekuyili player libuya ku TTC. So going to the game, I mean after 5-1 sikhuluma nga first half mina bengithi game bayirepile. Yes, Nyamuzu Michael Undamani is all right. Mfana is learning to, but he's running through that way. We need to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, the game TX Galaxy Sundowns won it. Not TX Galaxy. The game, yes, I think it's Loman. The game that they trusted in Poch, Epitor, the penalty that he did. Now they are fighting for a league. I mean, I'm a mistake. Yes, Mfana. Even it is learning through that way. Now, as cool man a red card, man cool man a red card. Le good bakabu keep it here. Me na for me. Ukipidu bekazosnayita even on the World Cup Hlanhla. Ilezinto esikhuluma ngazo lapho ndlo of kicking that ngiyakutshela uHugo Bros, that's my opinion, I believe yam. There was no way they can ignore the performance of Kipidu, one of the best defender, you understand. So ukuphuma kwakhe I think na Willie Mazidi Sundowns going to honestly yabo Undamani mina bengengimdlalise even going to that game. Sengikhuluma ngalama game lawa sele Sundown chasing the league. You need experience Kibidu naye no Grant Kekana.
Yeah.
Kule game le I think iyo lengikhuluma ngaye labajita laba Cape Town. Stellenbosch. After that game, bengizomdropa. Going to Kaizer Chiefs bengizodlala ngayo Grant Kekana was injury free. And naye uKipidu. Mhlambe okay noma ngabe uKipidu uthole red card, it's fine. Nhlanhla kule game ukhose iSundowns as a mistake from nowhere without even creating chances, bebangana even shot on target. And then what to pass goalkeeper balthinta la kicks ay opponent ubheka iball lakho. He's too relaxed, man. I love the boy. He's one of the best talent on the ball.
Yeah.
Mela focus, understand the priority is to defend. First priority is to defend, not to play. Ngiyazi Sundowns good they play, but defend our midfield sort of. You understand? Bomda become a winger. Now defender, Nabomdiba, super sport winger, midfielders, but now they are defenders. You understand? But Mela understand primary job is to defend. So now after getting a goal, Usemi a believer with that. And we are who have time, Sundowns as my Kelashu. 5 and then 1 coming back second half bomkwane they go and score abo Cheza they go and score. I mean to so elung. I mean it's disappointing, man. Especially defensive Sundowns depth of concentration. Now the countries like in which Smela which Champions League going to ngale defense if nenza ama mistake so when you play like such teams they come here they get one goal. Away goal is very important.
Yeah.
You understand? And it's so disappointing. When lepola le everyday pola mangabe away kuwe kancane epalini, it's a goal. Disappointing the body language. Na kule goal game le yona le 7 except the Chiefs one. Na someone in the main goal. Yabo. So when mina I'm very disappointed because magenza ama mistake even nalabafana bondamani. They believe ukuthi ukwenza mistake ikhona and then there's nothing that will happen ngam. Because as Michael akusile game Chiefs akusile game le. He's been doing it. Even na Champions League bafana kunama planda mombheka. It's him. The primary job Asho Michael ibola ladlula kwelene team balanda balisusa center done. 1-0 you are lead. So kule game useyamubonisile futhi ukuthi pound to pound experience I can't match Sundowns players. Anginayo experience. I'm a playing na but akakhohlwanga who he is. Ilento engihlale ngisho in South Africa wherever with coaches please even players when you play mina Nhlanhla ngiyayithanda even challenge I love it as a player. Even when I was playing ngiyayithanda anything yabo bengamind ukuthi ubani uthini lose but give it all. So Siema didn't forget intanayo Yes, he was concerned about Sundowns. Sundowns ikorile 7. Omunye umuntu bekazofuna ukuvika lapho ukuthi iscore singabi more. Because Sundowns bona bebangana choice, they needed a goal. They competing against the team
that's got more goals than they are. Yeah.
They were chasing. Omunye bekopaka ibasket no labantu bathi bafuna ama goal uyababona bakora bayese aba celebrate. Uliyo uyascora, uMatthews uyakora. But now siyema into ayenzile ukuthi mina ulko. Into ekumele ngiyenze, I see these guys what they doing. They move the ball quick. And they've got that experienced players who decide the game. Phela badlala nga-2 attacking midfielders, which is ulomfana lo uKutlwane Letlhako and Nuno. They decided 2 dangerous players, very comfortable, vision, awareness, everything. You understand? Technically very good. Mangapeka lama goal abo Matthews, these 2 bane impacted higher. So now usiyema into ayenzile ubheke second half Kutlwane off a bit. Take care of him. Yalazi ibhola nangePirates uyenzile, take care of really. You understand? Umhlozi icoach njenganje leyo inhlanhla uNuno naye mawambheka bamcima. Now Sundowns started to struggle. Umkwena now obviously there was a fatigue, but Umkwena, which is a man of the match for me kuleya game, dlalile lo mfana kuleya game. So usiyema ngemshaya izandla and then wafuna ukora naye. Take care of them. Hayi ukuthi uzo defender what I know. Nasi strategy I give you, structure. And then but you need to get goals. Angeke ngin-remote madoda. Sengikhuluma nge-attack. And then bakora leya game leya nhlanhla if bekuyi-cup okanye kune-extra time bengiwish ukuthi kube yi-7-7.
Shuthi bengafika lapho if there was extra time.
Obvious angeke iyalida. Nhlanhla le phela ngakhona. Phela isweleni besiza nhlanhla. Masikhuluma ne-J VAR. I-Sundowns i-defense enough. It's like they were tired. Let's commit VAR and not Sundowns they ngiyibonile esibakorile second half lama goal lawa yi2 but beba move first half nhlanhla laba bantu ngoba pound to pound ngihlale ngisho kuna team that if you play open game angeke udlale nabo open game akuna team in South Africa, that's me. Labo bantu they go in Morocco, they go wherever, they play the way they want. So pound to kumele bene strategy modlala now.
And then on the very same night Orlando Pirates came in and they also needed to score because now they were sort of under pressure after Sundowns scoring 7 goals, and then they come in and they also needed to win the game. They went in and they scored. The first goal was scored by Travis Scott. Bambizo Travis Scott, Utito Maswangani. He went and scored the first opening goal for Orlando Pirates, and that game was sealed in 3-0. Michael, let's talk about Tito's performance in that game.
Utito man simbonile season solo idlala abanama ups and downs.
Sure.
I think man Utito phakamise isandla where it matters most. I think ubonisile ngegame eStellenbosch after ukulimala kwa Muremi ku previous game against I think they were playing against the Chiefs. Utito like ubonisile na ukuthi uphakamise isandla at the crucial stage inhlanhla. Scoring goals, creating goals manje inhlanhla. Because as a number 10 bese sithi songorele must play number 10 but Utito uyabuya futhi ukuthi no ndoda la indawo yami ndoda umuntu uthatha iposition yakhe ufuna uyamforce ukuthi abuye le side ini but I'm very happy for the performance yami lenza sithembisa nhlanhla. I'm very much happy. Yazi nhlanhla man ayike into ebhlungu nje ukuthi udlala ibhola we udlala udlama so phansi khona mase kumele ubuyele futhi kube nzima nhlanhla but for Utito man I'm happy for yena nhlanhla because if you remember well Utito was a star player for Orlando Pirates but izinto zaya change but manje na mhlambe ngibona ukuthi mina ngiphakamisa ama socks yabona icompetition nhlanhla lento engisho compare na uRono yenza kana into efana necompetition whereby ukuthi ku Sundowns they can play another goalkeeper because they know uRono and comfortable in modern football yesikula la nhlanhla besazi thina ukuthi ugoalkeeper mela bambi asifuni ngene anything but manje baba ma weapon they must start playing abantu aba distributayo because modern football into abayenzayo manje if you want to play you must have a comfortable goalkeeper but into engayisho nhlanhla ngumuzo omnyama mane dala ngiyisho lento nhlanhla this is the best team this season nhlanhla no matter noma singathini nhlanhla ibhola abadlala like badlala attracting like mobabukele man you find joy when you watch Orlando Pirates badlala nhlanhla you understand so that's why ngishilo ngatibona manje i-league is up to them nhlanhla manje sezandleni zabo ukuthi bazenzele ifair because manje they don't need any favor from anyone ukuthi bona bawina ama games wabo kuphela nhlanhla.
That's all they need to do. Goal difference yabavumela.
Ngisho bonina ne Sundowns share 7 consider like nhlanhla you can't score 7 and concede 4 goals and then ngapha uthi ama goals but for me because kule game njengoba bengisho maba leader 5 bekunalento ukuthi if they can finish that game maybe nge-7 or nge-8-1 that's where Pirates bezofeel more pressure.
Yeah.
But it was only a 3-goal difference. Pirates, even if noma win a 2-0, still were superior in terms of goal difference. Yeah.
We're talking about the performance of players on the day because, like, of course, when they came into that game, they came in with the pressure from Mamelodi Sundowns having scored 7 goals that side, and they also needed, it was a win game for them, and they did exactly that. I want to hear your opinion when it comes to Maswanganyi's performance, and like we'll talk about the game overall.
Yeah.
What do you make of his performance?
Compliment lomfana lo Tito.
Yeah.
I technically talented. Njoba ngasho mina ngiqala ukusho namhla a lot of people angithi in life general wona enhlanhla sinama opinion. Utiti Mshayeli ukusayina kwaBombule ke kamshaya ku Pirates to sign abombule wasayina Mremi sign abo police. I think psychologically kunabanye abantu ba talented, they don't have a strong mentality. Ekhari babonile ama player amaningi in South Africa kunama expectation, but wait matters most to umfana yamshaya the current.
Sure.
Nomunye ilabo yakhona ibackground yasekhaya, umunye natural is not that way. Utito une talent eliserious kakhulu. If you can take simdlalisa according to his strengths sakhe. Yeah, yabona you can't ask two things for. Ngiyazi more than football it demand. I know it's more football umsebenzi, dali umsebenzi, but more it demands more. Coaches they come and go. Kune team exosha ama coach ayi4 per season. Ngikhuluma ngabo cheaper so ikutshelana. So ama coach they demand more for players. And which is Tito akusi talent ukuthi bamcela ukuthi must when the team defense na mela yenza into psychology. Utiti Mshayeli lento ukuthi basanela ama but Tito njoba sho Michael weight most matters. Phakama isandla. Ayibholelazi. Asikhulume ngale game ya Saturday u decided ya game.
Yeah,
assistilwa kora. Very composed inhlanhla. I mean njoba ngihlale ngisho winga can play as number 10. Urile bamshiftile ngalela langa as number 10 bamisa ku wing played.
Yes.
And kube nama statistic game ecala 2 3 4. Mina ngihlale ngisho attacking player. Mina ngiwing amaba uthet I know that's what I was taught mina. Iplay dlala la ku number 10 can play as a wing. Una wing engadlala. Ingani wing ngadlala kwelinye side. He can swipe. So Tito well done to him. Pirates kule game fethu honestly. They wanted I think first half they were rushing.
Yes.
They were rushing Pirates to score. First half, to score. But Tito well done. Mina psychology ama play Pirates. Ngoba Sundowns win 7 kule game. Well done. Ukuthi bafike kule game bangapanic. Yeah, ukuthi let's win. And Tina scoring ska concede. Well done to China as well. Defend the Pirates superior. Lo mfana usiyema nhlanhla. Mina it will be gimme. Njoba ukhiphiwe alimele. Lo mfana useme deserve a call up for World Cup. I know sometimes kunezinye le mfana ibholelazi. Yabona that boy mfethu yabo incedile Pirates after releasing yabona umbokazi ukuthi bamluze. Ngiyamazi uSpecies is experienced player. He won defend of the season last year, but this boy usiyema mfethu udlala indima enkulu Orlando Pirates. I can tell you the truth nhlanhla. Pirates not conceding. Ali play Orlando Pirates decisive passes. Scoring goal bheka le game Richards Bay to equalize there as a defender ukuthatha responsibility into ezenza bombokazi ku national team. Yabo talented, you know talent mfethu. Kunenye ultimate ku Sundowns, I think is the one who scouted the boy, is a friend of mine. He coached Sundowns development now. He was at Teska la kusengjo uTomlande Alex that boy. Beka ngitshela lo mfana makafika ku Pirates athuni ubukele lo mfana before adlala. So the boy inami ngiconfirm ku World Cup nhlanhla. If siba never lo mfana mele bekhona nhlanhla. World Cup that point they need to take him. Yabona nami you go brought some bleeding to him. I mean he age right for the boy. You can't wait umfana zabe na 30 40 29 30. I mean to say 29 30. Take the boy again experience. Tanta lo mfana future bright future ahead of the boy. Lo mfana Europe uzonya kutshela phala phansi inhlanhla. So
so phala phansi.
Yes, outside the big technical card. Plus you winter. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uyajaxisa. So next, lo mfana mela World Cup. Tito won the Pirates the game. He scored the assist. Pirates he take nothing away performance. Pirates second half came composed.
Yes,
I think they already with Sundowns baba concedile. It's a mountain to climb ngemakhola with Sundowns kumele khavilo. So bona they just go to mele bayebo win game at Galaxy. And now they need to rely with Pirates to lose the game or draw, which is highly impossible, especially Orlando Arena. They need to make compliment the Pirates supporters. Currently support the player number 12 Elnida. We sold out till their game.
Yes.
leyo nto leyo mfethu even nami ngisadlala ku Chiefs mawuze FNB bekuyislotha Nhlanhla bengekubuye like we believe or we call akunankinga isupporter lama club lawo Chiefs and Pirates yoba ngihlale ngisho ama supporters adlala indima enkulu but the supporters get attracted being a beautiful football iPirates is here Nhlanhla
they did
Nhlanhla imamela nami ngiyavuma ngeke ubuye hayi ngeke ubuye yabona ngefootball pound to pound nabo singabali Sundowns pen now pound to pound ngeplay angeke ulungumele ube ne strategy ngeke uthi ufuna ucompete nabo because lo mfana lo sibelebelezwe ngicela ukumcompliment ngicela ucompliment lo mfana
sibelebe
I mean yamfana naye kulama game especially ukuza kanje coming from injury qale kahle isizini yamfana limala une big heart ke loya he's got a strong he's not one of the best talent but he's got a big heart strong character I mean for you going to Orlando Pirates as a check abakusayini bakudlalisa wing back uyithathe lo nto akunankinga mara ul score goals so lo mfana ufika wabeka uFan Rooyen on the bench Van Rooyen akusi bad player I mean bamsayine kunama expectation from Stellenbosch and mina bengibhekile ukuthi uzoba icontender ka uzocompete nomndawo lo mfana Van Rooyen but now if I can be honest angeke ngibeke usibelebele ngaphandle yabo and now wenza iside le Pirates ka right be dangerous also apolice udlala half wing so they are both dangerous they understand one another now Korile on nge weaker foot and play beautiful as well so ubheke ne recovery yakhe he's got speed he's so physical une balance enyaweni he understand ukuthi Pirates idlala kanjani ufike lapha feature like a club so and mele ngimcompliment that boy so Orlando Pirates fit on the day I'm a case made us be out checking a general manager is a brother the sonke platinum but they are themselves to blame but Oshama coaches at one stage this guy Papizo Chwane was there John Maduwa was there Owen Takam was there now Ellen Fritz so next ama miracle singadingi uChrist Nhlanhla singafuni Tuesday change over night 12:30 ibe Wednesday singadingi uChrist so now honestly but deserve ukuthi bahambe mina abantu kumele bahambe ibone cheap that's me if you don't respect players or technical team and then as a director you take accountability.
All right. And then the last game that we can now talk about before we go into the predictions is Landbuya Konanoe 2 played against Kukune and they showed up. Yeah,
thanks. Ngicela compliment the Chiefs njengoba bengisasho even on Diski TV they never lost so many games this year. Mina sibanike irrespective of how they won. Singabala ezinye izinto but lezo it's like njengoba ngisasho ibonus. It's true. And ibonus but sengikhuluma ngani siba compliment ukuthi ba win so many games lose less. Compliment to Brendan Peterson as well.
Yes, the goalkeeper.
Because the goalkeeping department abantu bayidele important their position. You can't just concede. Brendan ke focus ku sponsor sakhe. It's not good enyaweni uyazazi. And uyazi ukuthi nginama player ngekho comfortable at the back to start. If he's not ayikho on yelkhaba mina. And priority yami ukuthi ngivimbe kungakho. Ubhekele game Sundowns the last save there. Ubhekele game Orlando Pirates close range uApolice. I mean if you consider those goals Chiefs bekumele lose those games. I mean 2014 if uStuart lapho ukhune mawungabheka le ama game wonke the reason they won the league Nhlanhla they were not playing beautiful football. Counter attack but ukhune was bekuye between the line. Usavile ngicela ubuyele back kulo season mina ihlaphe sithandayo le. We've been thini ball asathanda watch such games. So goalkeeping department important Nhlanhla. Meaning another person is not the one of the best player for me. Engizothi mina ngifuna ama player more comfortable who can defend especially ama defend and comfortable and lengamla lo cross idlalile ku Chiefs yabo idlalile ku Chiefs akusi is not one of the favorite player but ipriority yakho yenzile coming to Kaizer Chiefs lo mfana wedini Makhathi basizile naye not one of the best player but basizile defensively nabo I think batheshile and mele ngikhulume nenye into I think as ngisho Silva ukore vital goals for them mina bengasi player nale ngilibhekile which is ngisamela ngiprove vele true but uspanele for them nokuthi bathola mabuye Nhlanhla ngisasho yabona that guy that guy mfethu incedile Kaizer Chiefs in terms of link between defense and attack to be composed or manage a game to get Abu to get labafana bona bomdu. You understand? Mabuye yenza different enkulu at Kaizer Chiefs. The goalkeeper and Mabuye. Honestly, and Liepo also scoring vital goals. That is my, but Korama goal vital, which is I believe mina mangikhuluma international player mangitaxi player abantu bangizwakahle. That I believe mina priority axi playing prioritize. Not because I hate him, semkhuluma based on the field. If you're international player, mele sibone more than into esinganayo la. Khumela into ezinjalo. But uKorama goal vital for them. So ukuthi banga concede nokungaluza amagame amaningi basipanile igame esikhukhuni never I'm disappointed ngoPaulos Mase. I mean mara ngihlale mina nabo accountability bo Jonas ama director I mean Simon I'm very abantu ngiyazi I'm welcome da abantu engixoxa nabo yabo they asked sometimes amanye ama advice true yabo but truly speaking ukuthi nabo chasing coaches uCM go number 4 yamxosha Tinkler come go number 564 5 niyamxosha uthe ubheka development yabo uSibapela is there uThemba Sithole is the technical director Makubedu is the technical director now they signed Steenbok a former South African technical director which is ibholo elazi yena but he's going to work difficult there ngiya akancane how many people that are ku development yabo they had to promote players ke laba bantu bane BC Municipal team bane TTC team player abidlala ngabantu abana 27 28 so they must find a strategy bona abantu abagrand in terms of Niya's financial their backup bagrand ama directors but kunento bezenze right so mele bathatha accountability number 3 Chiefs they deserve ukuthi isale lapha now Chiefs now going forward mele benze izinto kahle baya ku Cave mele ba compete next year like Pirates and Sundowns we can't celebrate ukuthi ba ku number 3 inhlanhla leyo nto le it's a big team Chiefs but complement into abazenza this year ba improvile somehow.
Do you agree?
Mina ndla ngayisho ngeChiefs inhlanhla ngeke ngayisho nalento iChiefs isesephezulu before bazobuya manje babuya ku number 3 bekhe baphezulu neSundowns. Like Chiefs this season, the only thing that they've needed the coaches in the structure. If there was a coach who will build a structure for Chiefs ngabe sikhuluma naNhlanhla ngabe is there in the race for PSL. Bengizwa about Chiefs feel but beke Chiefs beyifeel kuphi? Beyifeel phezulu Nhlanhla and monga checka ama points about dropile Nhlanhla wait na maybe boma 12 points esingayibala. Whereby la umayo khona umayo lebhola walikhipha ulilepo Mr Pena like I can count to maybe 4 or 5 games whereby bona bazikhoste bona mhlambe 12 to 15 points. You understand so mina into engisho njengawe it's good ba secure lo number 3 manje they've beat isikhukhune but mina into engisayisho abalethi coaches olethi structure Nhlanhla because if bangakwazi ukuqeda number 3 ngalama players it's not like ukuthi makuphela isizini they must go and buy 10 players Nhlanhla kwamanje but if they bring a coach also in the structure ukuthi thina in our structure this is how we play I think interselling Chiefs because noma badlala like you don't know ukuthi bona like i-strength sabo sikuphi yabo you like you bring somebody yabona Jose Mourinho we all know ukuthi okay Jose Mourinho is a coach odlala defensive football ufuna ukushanga counter he master that but the Chiefs interselling ngayo ukuthi like they must bring somebody who's in the structure lapha I think the Chiefs will compete next season Nhlanhla if they can sign 3 or 4 players and then they bring a right coach I think they will compete
so don't you think the coaches will then improve and then be better next season?
No, the way ngakhona Nhlanhla I don't think ukuthi lama coaches will improve Nhlanhla like yabona Nhlanhla kuleyo mistake ekumele bangayenzi le yeah mistake ekumele bangayenzi because they need somebody lapha Nhlanhla ozosign ama player wakhe Nhlanhla they bawudinga like 3 or 4 players Nhlanhla and then bazokwazi ukuthi ba compete league in next year they are going to the Ilontuza manje who have conversations you understand so they will need 3 or 4 players and then they need a coach also in the structure Nhlanhla.
All right, let's get into the predictions and wrap this one up. We've got a big one coming, a decider, a very big, crucial game for Mamelodi Sundowns. They must win that game in order for them to at least secure the league. 2 games are remaining for Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns is playing against TS Galaxy. Do you think they will beat them, and what will happen next?
Mina ngibheka iSundowns izoya lapha eMbombela ibuye ne 3 point Nhlanhla and then izofaka iPirates under pressure njengoba ngisho ngithi uwina kweSundowns kusasa is going to put the Pirates under a lot of pressure even if they are playing iDurban City neMakezi but so khuluma nge-Sundowns
It's Obert actually.
If they win tomorrow, Sundowns bazoshare i-Pirates nga 6 points. You understand? Which is will force i-Pirates ukuthi they must win
All the remaining games.
You understand?
Yeah.
So nayo i-Pirates even if it's strong, but it will be a pressure Nhlanhla. Because if you check la remaining games, the last game ne-Obit, i-Obit nayo lapha ibaleka imbazo nayo. Ayifuni ukuzembeni, so it's going to be a difficult one. Even nayo i-Sundowns kusasa, it's going to be a difficult one nabo eMbombela, because I don't think nayo iGalaxy izobayeka nje so simple yabo. Because ama-game manje uyazi ukuthi that's whereby umunye ufuna ukubaleka i-relegation, omunye ufuna ukungena ku-number 8, omunye ufuna ukuya kuphi, omunye ufuna ukuwina i-league, omunye ufuna ukuya ku-top 8, omunye ufuna ukuwina i-CAF.
Yeah,
but I think it is going to be a difficult one, but iMamelodi Sundowns izoyiwina the game.
Your prediction?
Yeah, not the easy game for Sundowns. Yeah, but I don't think coach now Sundowns center back isho ukuthi imile idlale ngobani after the costly mistake. Mfana Indamane asimbulali matter of fact. Manje sibe namavara so that the South African football can improve. Sundowns players they are tired. They're playing Champions League soon, finally. But I'm going to coaches will change the team. Going there is a winning game, 2-0.
All right, even with the absence of Mutau, because he got a yellow card and then he misses that game tomorrow. Yeah.
There's Johannes there. You've got quality players, pound to pound, true. So winning the game, and also Orlando Pirates going to is a draw at Durban City.
Score?
1-1. Honestly, because they will be under pressure and flex. Honestly, they will draw with Durban City. Obit, yes, they will beat them. Quality, Obit. No matter Pirates, Obit under pressure. But Durban City will be difficult. Abeko current Durban City, but because of the pressures of our Sundowns, I think psychologically langisho khona. Inexperience abanye ila izodlala indima enkulu, they will draw 1-1 against Durban City.
Yadle mnyama bazamstela arena phela iDurban mele ibe ready. Field yabo bayi-enjoy kakhulu le Nhlanhla yabavumela ne-style sabo. Angiboni iDurban ikhupha nabo mina lapha Nhlanhla. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi Nhlanhla mina kule season mina ngibheka ukuthi mameli iOrlando Pirates iwin i-league Nhlanhla. I've said it lento i-Sundowns isese ne-chance ngabutshela ngathi Nhlanhla Pirates they are playing the best football. So ukuthi nje njengoba ngisho ukuthi the only thing that will make it difficult for them ilento ukuthi i-Sundowns idlale the Champions League izodlala i-final, and then lama games bengifuna ukuthi aphele ngesikhathi esiwa. That's why it was going to be more interesting, understand? Because Sundowns if like i-league izodetermine na le game yakusasa, because if i-Sundowns can drop points again uyayibona lento le ukuthi izoba njani. So that's why bengithanda ukuthi but ngendaba yani the Champions League and then the World Cup is here, so i-league it has to ukuthi iphele early. Yeah.
All right. At the beginning of the season, you always said that Sundowns is going to win the league. Tomorrow, Sundowns is playing their very last game. Are you still saying Sundowns is going to win the league? Sipale Pants. Sundowns is still going to win the league. Okay. And that's how we wrap up this episode of Junior Khanya TV. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing on the content, as well as commenting on the right things. Thank you so much for your support. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #BetWithTheBest. #WSB. Thank you. Siyabonga.